Hi, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. Today we have a Discovery 5. It's a Dynamic HSE finished in Eiger Grey. It's got a black pack, so black Discovery text, grille and fins on the front. We have upgraded diamond turned 22-inch alloy wheels. We have black contrast roof, black roof rails, factory fitted privacy glass, keyless entry, 360 cameras and powered tailgate. We have an electronically deployable tow bar fitted to this car, and you have 7 full-size seats on this model. If we come round to the side of the car, we have upgraded Windsor leather interior, as it is a HSE. It's black with the light oyster piping and stitch, and then we have black headlining up above. In the front of the car, we have fully electric seats. They have memory function on the driver and the passenger side. We have Meridian surround sound, wireless device charging, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, digital driver's display, and as of this video, this car has done just 19,272 miles. If you have any questions about this car or would like any more information, please give us a call on 01642 644 444.